The circle described by taking major axis of this ellipse as one of its diameter is called auxiliary circle of this ellipse. From any point C on the ellipse, if we draw a perpendicular, which is a line perpendicular to major axis that intersect auxiliary circle at E and this major axis at D, and if angle EOX be theta, then this angle theta is called eccentric angle of this point, not of this point, but of this point. Eccentric angle of this point on the ellipse. Since E point lies on the circle and radius of this circle is A, there this angle is theta, therefore coordinate of E point will be A cos theta, A sin theta. Coordinate of this point C on the ellipse will be A cos theta, B sin theta, and coordinate of this point D will be A cos theta 0. CD by ED is equal to B sin theta by A sin theta, that is equal to B by A. We will use these formulas, this knowledge in solving this question. Comparing this equation with this equation, we find that A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 2, because 9 can be written 3 square, 4 can be written 2 square. That is why x1, y1 is coordinate of point P, and P lies on this ellipse, and eccentric angle of this point P is pi by 6. Therefore, when value of theta is pi by 6, when theta is equal to pi by 6, then x1, y1 will be equal to A cos theta, B sin theta, means 3 cos pi by 6, 2 sin pi by 6, that is equal to cos pi by 6, 3 root 3 by 2 sin 30 degree 1 by 2 1. This Q lies on the ellipse and eccentric angle of this point Q is pi by 3. Therefore, when value of theta, when theta is equal to pi by 3, then x2, y2 will be equal to A cos theta means 3 cos pi by 3. 3 cos pi by 3, 2 sin pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 means cos 60 degree means 1 by 2, 3 by 2. Sin 60 degree, root 3 by 2. 2 times root 3 by 2 means root 3. Thus, we get x1, y1, 3 root 3 by 2, 1, and x2, y2, 3 by 2, root 3. equation of a straight line passing through P point and Q point, that means PQ, a straight line, will be y minus y1 is equal to y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2x minus x1 by using formula. Now we put value of x1 y1, x2 y2 in place of x1 y1, x2 y2. Then we get this. After a little simplification, we get equation of PQ as 2x plus 3y is equal to 3 root 3 plus 1. Pn1 by Rn1. Pn1 by Rn1. CD by ED is equal to B by A. Therefore, Pn1 by Rn1 B by A, that is equal to 2 by 3. After cross multiplication, we get 3Pn1 is equal to 2Rn1. Qn2 by Sn2. Qn2 by Sn2 will be equal to B by A. B by A, that is equal to 2 by 3. After cross multiplication, we get 3Qn2. 3Qn2 is equal to 2 times Sn2. Now solution is complete.